Going up.
These are the elevators at Northern Trust Plaza in Sarasota, Florida. Used to be Dover. They got modded.
Eleventh floor. Going down.
We're gonna go back down to 1. Actually, on second thought, we're gonna go to 2 because there is a security desk in the lobby.
Second floor. Going down.
We're gonna get another one and go for one more ride.
Going up.
We got the same elevator back, so actually we're just gonna go down the 1. It's not letting me press it because it still thinks we're going up. Let's just go 1 and get off. Because as you saw, there's a security
First
guard.
floor.
So that'll be it.